Good morning, YouTube. You see, we getting it together. As you see, your boy, he don't even shoot no 16 for real, and no Momatic. But guess what I did this morning? Left my gun. I sure did. You see, I got a whole thing of 410 shells ready to go. Yeah. Out here with these here city boys. Mr. Boone.
Yes, sir.
My man, Brandon. Let's switch. I knew he was gonna do it. I knew he had it. 410 Momatic. I like it. I'm gonna have mine, don't you worry. Oh, what you got there?
410 pump.
Why I should have brought my 410. Killer squad, baby. I'm gonna still kill everything around me though. Bird jump in the morning. We hunting some thick stuff today, baby. We'll have fun. Everybody got their 410 except for me. Because I left my gun at the house. On the wall. Sitting there looking at me. Brand new. I ain't killed nothing. Got me out here shooting this here 16 gauge Momatic. Killer squad, baby. They bringing them on round 2. Put that pressure on it now. You're gonna come through here flying. Yeah, come around this out this way. We out here with the Magnificent 9, baby. City boy kennel dogs here, baby. Rabbit didn't double back. I should have shut my mouth. Oh, he's going back down. Sight chase. Huh? They running a coon. Killer squad. City boy Kennels. Got another jump. He ran past me going 40 north. You got past me. City Boy Kennel, baby. We out here appreciating the services. There one right in between us, but I ain't seen.
What's that?
That rabbit split us, and I ain't seen him. Ain't like I can see a whole lot, you know what I'm saying? I got about 15 yards, that's about it. We out here. But up there in that tree there's a Mr. Cooney. And we just checked the book, and we are good to go on Cooney, so I'm gonna take him on down. Put this brown into him and see what happens. Brian? Oh, there. Oh, got you another coon, boy. Oh, he a dog master. He a little tenderoni. Yeah. He's still ready to fight, so see. Let him do his thing. Yeah, we got meat on the ground. Like coon. Little swap, baby. I put him down. With Brandon 16 gauge Momatic Brown from Belgium. I got another one going. We just relocated. We'll see what it do. Come on. They going away from me, y'all, till they get closer. City Boy Kennel. He only had 8 dogs out here today. My fault. I said magnificent 9 early. He only got 8 out. They doing the business. I didn't even expect that. He jumped a pheasant. I jumped a rabbit. And he dead. That's me on my own. Killer squad, baby. Dead rabbit. Don't come now. Shit, he dead, boy. He dead now. You supposed to come get him out. That's what we're looking for. That's what we're looking for, dog. That's what we're looking for, dog. Ow! 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 Run around here and get that pheasant up. Run around here and get him up. I don't worry about that one, boy. He dead. There you go, boy. Yeah, I got the rabbit.
You ain't killed the pheasant?
I tell you, I ain't see the pheasant. Oh, they got the pheasant right there. They're coming right to you, crack. Ah, dang, boy, he coming right to you. Gee! Now I'm talking. I hope all that is on the camera. Camera, that damn bird about ran him over. Huh? He about ran you over, boy. Bird down, boy. Gee!
I shot that son of a bitch in the face.
Boy, I seen you, boy. I seen you, boy. Let me check this camera. Oh, it was running.
in the air.
Boy, I seen you, boy. He about to attack you. He about to attack you, boy. He can't even. That was a good shot, boy.
Look at it.
That was, I see him, boy. That was a good shot. Boy, now you see what Killer Squad be doing? Y'all see what we be doing? We don't be missing. Get off of here. Get off of here. You ain't supposed to get off of there, Tess. She gonna take the head. Killer Squad, baby. I ain't gonna show that. I need coming up here to me some kind of way. No, they're going away from me, y'all. Okay, you close. What do with that thing, boy? Shit! Yeah, buddy. Yeah, I guess we calling it a day, fellas. It's hot out here. We on warm.
You got your cake?
It's in the truck.
Your truck?
Yeah, my truck. Dogs did what they could. We seen what, two pheasants? Ain't hot, they ready to chill out. Mr. Shoot him in the face, head doctor with the pheasant. That dude right there let the dang on dog get his rabbit.
Dude, I said, man, them damn dogs eating that damn rabbit.
I said the same thing.
I shot that rabbit. I had to hit him by the legs, and he kept going.
He went over and looked for him. He said, I don't see him, Boone, but I know I hit him. I said, well, if you hit him, he got to be in there somewhere. I said, unless you missed him. He said, no, I hit him, Boone.
No, I don't miss.
I'm turning the camera off right now.
The dogs went up. Look, the dogs went up and got quiet. And I told him, I said, they mighty quiet. He said, damn, they eating that rabbit.
Yeah, it sure did, boy.
Ted's over there eating them, but
We hung him up a tree.
I think Ted's was eating them. And,
City Boy Kennels, baby.
and Diesel was eating
Killer
them.
Squad.
When Diesel came back over by me, she had blood all on his mouth and licked his lips. Yeah,
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, comment. Chop it up with me. Send me some knowledge on this rabbit hunting stuff, y'all. I don't know it all, but we try to do what we do.
Guts all out.
Did you put that shit on the internet?
Yes, sir.
I don't know.